To create a Telegram channel, follow these steps. Open the Telegram app and tap on the menu icon at the top left corner, 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, select New Channel and then tap Create Channel. Enter a name for your channel and a brief description. Next, choose the type of channel you want to create, public or private. For a public channel, you'll need to create a unique username, which will serve as the channel's link. For a private channel, only invited users will be able to join. After selecting the channel type, tap Create and start adding members by selecting Contacts or sharing an invite link. Your Telegram channel is now ready to use.